go. Oh, God.
Hey, it's Matt speaking to you from the void. I wanted to do some audio accompaniment for this video and help explain some stuff that happened. So the first part of this video is my week 3 inspection. It was a short inspection mainly done to remove the queen excluder between the super and the deep to encourage them to draw out the foundation. I also checked to see how they were doing on the foundations. The second part is my week 4 inspection, which had the potential disaster that I clipped in the beginning. After that happened, it threw me off and I stopped narrating.
Alright.
And I was worried for my queen. So I'll probably pop in here a few more times in this video to explain some situations that I either didn't know or vocalize at the time of recording. I hope you enjoy and maybe learn a thing or two from my mistakes. I definitely know I learned something or a few things from the recording of this video. Alright, I hope you enjoy.
A little later than I normally would. I was planning to come out here, give this another week, but I was worried about them doing anything with this honey super if they didn't you're buzzing away, aren't you? If they had that queen excluder on there. I mean, maybe they might be thinking about it here. Y'all thinking about it? I probably still will remove the excluder, give them a week or so to just really get it going. But yeah, it does actually look like they're thinking about, they've started drawing out a little bit of it. They were kind of used to going through the excluder to get to the feeder. Kind of split them off here. I'll just put them over here. Oh yeah, lots of nectar. Lots of nectar in there. Yeah, no laying going on there. This is gonna be like the worst weather we've had while I've been in here. So I'm curious to see how they behave. They've been pretty, I mean, really good docile bees so far. And they started out on this one, that's good. Doing a number here, really doing good work here. Keep it up, girls. Promotion in it for you. The propolis production has really gone up too. I think it's just the number of bees in the hive now has really exploded over the past few weeks. I mean, I was here last week and there wasn't nearly as much propolis. And I'm curious to see, I'll move you all the way over. This. Let's see how they've done on this frame. Oh, really doing a number here. Oh, look at all that bee bread they've got there too. Wow, they really kicked into gear on building out these foundations. Really going for it now. We're not doing a big full inspection. This is like a bonus because I don't want it to start raining on them. Oop. I just wanted to take a quick look, see how they're drawn out, and they're drawn out really, I'm really impressed. Let's see what we got here. There's some room in here. Oop. One tried to sting my glove because I accidentally pinched her. I don't know if she got out of that. Let me put my hands since that one tried to sting me. It's the first one I've known has tried to sting me. And I mean, she was in the right. I did touch her. You hear them? They don't sound too happy. They sound a little excited. Now that's a nice looking frame too. Oh, two good frames. I can't wait till the new frames look like this. Hoping y'all are getting this. Look at that. Pretty frame. Couple of drone cells. Look at that. They did not like that air. They really cleared out. It's okay, girls. I didn't mean to disappoint or upset y'all. So this is the last nuke frame. Oh, it's fat. Oops. Alright, so what do we got here? We got larva, cat brood. Oh, I think I see some. It's just overcast, hard to see. This looks like it could be a supersedure cell. It's empty though. I'm gonna leave it because I've heard you should kind of trust the bees on supersedure. I do. I mean, they are growing. Look at this. There's larvae down there. I'm not seeing eggs, but eggs can be hard to spot in low light. They found one of the bajillion pine trees in this region. Okay, so they start in here. Oh, they're doing a good job here. Look at that. Oh, and there's eggs in there. Beautiful. That's what I like to see. Is the queen here? But that means, I mean, that's fresh. Single eggs in the center. I mean, it's looking good. It's fresh frames. I mean, I'm really impressed. My phone just buzzed and I thought I had a bee in my pocket for a second. They're a little more worked up than usual today. I've been a little quick with them. There we go. Look at this. Man, they are flowing out of there. I would like y'all to go back in the box, please. I'm not going to put the excluder in there. I'm going to give them a week. I mean, there's a risk they'll start laying, but it's not the biggest deal in the world if they do, you know, a couple eggs in there before I put the excluder on. They can just... What are y'all doing? Alright. I need them to move off these edges. I guess I can slide it on. I'll do my best. I think they're just excited to have this box back or something. There's a possum that comes out here. I'm worried that he's going to take a bite at him, but he hasn't yet. I think he comes and kind of eats the dead bees they throw out. And just kind of use it as an easy meal, you know, come here and eat the scraps. But if anyone has experience with possums, if they've ever caused you headache, let me know, because I've heard and I've seen a video of them coming up and just munching at the entrance, just grabbing a mouthful of bees and then running off. It didn't seem like the possum dug that too much. Didn't like getting stung, but it did it. So I don't know. Here they are. All right, girls. Okay, I'm back. Let's see how these bees have been doing. What do we got here? A little kind of cocoon of some sort. Bees. All right, so now, I don't know if y'all can see that. They are in here. You know, you can see them in here quite a bit. Looks like they're starting to draw. So I kind of want to locate the queen today. Might take me a little bit. I'm not the quickest at it. But I'm gonna smoke them. Sorry, ladies. Oh, I'm trying out nitrile gloves to see if the tactile feels better. I understand that might put me at a bit more risk of a sting, but we will see. So I'm just looking through here, seeing if there's any like significant comb drawing. Ooh, bees, I'm sorry. I am sorry. That is not what I want. This is more secure. Now they just fell off over there. I might I'm not sure how many of they shouldn't really be nurse bees. But I'll put this over here in case any of them aren't that comfortable with flying yet, so they can crawl up in there. I'm sorry, bees. Yeah, that's something you really don't want to happen. You don't want to just accidentally drop a frame. All right, here we can see they've started drawing a bit. Just getting started. Got a bit more. Looks like they're putting mostly nectar in as they work on it. How you doing, girls? More nectar. Some eggs though. I don't know if you can see that. There's some eggs down in there. Which is, you know, the risk you run without a queen excluder, but you know, it's not the end of the world. They can raise a few bees in here. When I locate the queen, and I kind of want to today, but to be honest, they have so much work to do up here. Well, now that they've laid eggs, they should be coming up here. So if I locate the queen today, I could put her at the bottom and put the excluder on. And they should be coming up and down now because they have eggs in there to take care of and stuff. So the firm drop there. A little bit more work here. We got eggs again. Do we have a lot of burr on this? Yeah, we do. I don't want to smash them all. They had really started propolizing a lot more. And they started building comb a lot quicker than they had been. I think they've kind of gotten the colony size has increased significantly, and they're kind of getting into the flow of things. You know, grabbing resources, having a good number of scavenger bees. Let's look at these. Yeah, and the reason it's good to clear the burr comb is to not squish them. When you put cells down, there's not going to be burr comb to squish the bees that have come up to clean the nectar. Which can happen. Don't want that smoke just bombarding them. Look at them. Now look at this. That's a lot of bees. Now they've really blown up. Get some of that pine straw out of there. Oh, that's a heavy frame. Alright, so here you can see they're working out that side. On this side, we've got quite a bit of honey and nectar. Honey, pollen. Not seeing eggs yet. Sorry. Give them a little handshake they weren't expecting. Keep building these. I've heard that you should trust the bees on supersedure. They shouldn't be emergency cells because I know the queen is laying. And I see eggs. And there's nothing in these. So I think they just kind of build these for either practice or to be prepared in case they need to. But I mean, this queen does such a great job. These are all filled with eggs. Would love to find her. I haven't seen her in weeks, but I see evidence of her everywhere, so. This is another heavy frame right here. Larva, they've backfilled a little bit with honey, but not crazy. Alright, where are you, my lady? Oh, I found her. She's right there in that corner there. I'm gonna see if I can mark her. There she is, right there. No. A few more bees than I would have wanted. Come on. Where has the queen gone now? Sorry. Oh, there she is. I'm an idiot. Alright, don't worry, my lady. Okay, I found her. I have a marker. Oh boy, so nervous. This is like Here we go. Oh, God. Okay, calm down. She can't be far. Oh my God, I'm an idiot. Where are you?
So the queen was on my jacket. I didn't realize this till I got back and analyzed the footage, but I caught her here at the bottom of the frame. And then I also caught her crawling back into her box there. I didn't realize that she'd have the ability to fly that far, and really thought she was stuck on the ground. So I continued basically for the rest of the video to look around and try to find her,
made
and
her way
then
back in here
I realized a storm was coming and had to reassemble the hive so that I didn't put the rest of the hive in danger. But it wasn't until I got back that I realized that thankfully I hadn't harmed her, and she had found her way back home. So I learned a couple lessons through this experience. One is to I now know how to handle those queen cages for marking. I was trusting that it would retain itself, but obviously did not. It just fell right out. And I also realized I need to be a little bit more careful when I'm trying to handle the queen, and maybe handle her over the hive body so that she doesn't fall on the ground. But I didn't do like a sign off there on video, so I'll just say that's going to be it for these inspections, and I'll hopefully have a new one up soon.